Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making another delicious dish, squash flowers. Okay, I picked these fresh out of the garden this morning. There is actually zucchini flowers in here as well. Okay, we're just going to fry them up nice and light. If you come over here, I can show you the oil that we have in here. But did you guys miss me? Because it's been about a month or two. I know you missed me. Okay, so you got to take a little bit of frying oil, vegetable oil, whatever. You don't want to really use olive oil. You can, but you're just going to be throwing the waste out anyway. It's just to fry them up, so any oil will do. You're going to bring that up to temperature. You want to make sure it's hot enough, and I'll show you how to test it in a minute. So we're going to come over here. 3 simple ingredients. These are just toppers for when they're done. Okay. Garlic powder, pepper, salt. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt. No, not a teaspoon. On that, Luigi. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. Okay. That. What do we do with that? I just throw it in. Throw it in. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Throw it in. Okay. Half a teaspoon of salt. A half of one. Throw it in. Okay. This right here, this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, because, I got people with sensitive tummies, so we don't want to, whatever. Throw it in! All right? Get these out of here. We got 1 cup, ashbet. We got a little, hold on. I'll make it 1 cup, ashbet. All right, there's a cup of flour. It's a little bit more than a cup, but you're going to use a cup of flour. What do we do? Throw it at the camera, lady. No, we throw it in. Throw it in, okay? We're going to mix it all up, nice. Okay, get it all mixed up. Hold on, maybe we can just do it like this. Watch Luigi, don't make a mess. All right, there we go. Am I the craziest cooking guy you guys ever seen? Because I know I got a couple of screws that just need a little tightening. I know I'm a little nuts. But I'll tell you what though, my wife, I gotta tell you, she don't love me for me, she loves me for the food. Are you kidding me over here? Huh? Okay, get an egg. Watch this. Luigi the professional, right? Boop. Watch. Boop, boop. Single-handed, Luigi style. Boop. Throw it over there. Wash your hands because I got food outs all over them. Okay. In the meantime, that is coming up to temperature. We're going to put a little splash of water over here just to thin that out. This is just going to be an egg wash. Hold on, over here. What are we doing? Putting that over here. Got a little piece of egg in there. We can't have that. Okay, whisk this up real quick. Fork, whisk, whatever. Ashbet. You guys get me all excited. It's been so long. I missed you guys. It's been too long. Been busy, but these things happen. Okay, there's your egg wash. Get any? Okay, I got your egg wash. You gonna wash it, Anthony? All right. Throw it right in there. All right. Okay, no problem. Now we're going to test this. You guys remember this little trick? Huh? Okay. You take a little dab on your finger. It's done. It's ready to go in. Okay? So, just take it. Put a little egg wash on there. Okay? Do like this. Okay? Nice. Huh? Okay, we'll take them. We're going to throw this in here. I'm probably going to want to turn this down a little bit. Put it on the floor. Okay. Throw it in. Don't worry about it. Just throw it in. Throw it in. Okay. You want to rinse these off, wash them. When you pick them, you probably want to use them that day or the day after. Just make sure that you just wash them off, and you don't want to throw them in the hot oil with the, this is a disclaimer. Don't be throwing this stuff in the hot oil with water in it, because it'll make a big splash. It'll sizzle right up in your face. That's the problem. You can't have that, okay? So, did you guys miss Luigi? That crazy bastard cooking guy, I'll tell you. I don't know what's the matter with him, but he's out of his freaking tree. I gotta tell you, he's nuts. He is. Throw him in. Huh? Egg it up. My mother used to say, I don't want egg. Okay, yeah, a little bit of egg, Mom. Yep. See? My mommy used to make these for me. Huh? You know what I don't like? I'm not a fan. People make little pancakes out of them. If I want a pancake, go to IHOP. I don't want pancakes. These are nice and light. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Hey, Rocco, why don't you come over here and give us a hand over here? Not stay over there. Stay over there. You can go. Yeah, check them out, guys. Check them out. Guys, so here we are. We're taking them out. Probably about 2.5 minutes on each side. Okay? So we're light. This is not an entree. Well, maybe for an iguana it might be an entree. But for Luigi, this is barely an appetizer. No, these are freaking delicious. My mother's been making these forever. Old. This is an Italian thing. Of course it's an Italian thing. What are you kidding me? That's why I'm Luigi the Italian cooking guy. What do you think? It's a Polish thing? No. It's not a Polish thing. No offense. I'm just saying. So, all right, let's get back at it. I was just eyeballing my stuff over here. I got some stuffed shells in the oven. Anybody want to stop by and have a couple of stuffed shells? You want a couple of stuffed shells? We'll throw them right down your throat. Huh? You want some stuffed shells? Okay. All right, so we're taking these out. There's the oil. 2.5 minutes each side. Get them golden brown. Very simple. Probably turn this oil back off. Okay? Very, very simple. You want to let them sit there for, a minute or so, but I'm not going to because, I'm Luigi and you guys don't have time to have these things sit around and cool off. Okay? So, if you want to serve them like this with a side of sauce, that's fine. If you want to serve them with sauce over them, obviously you take the paper towel out and you can present them nicely on the plate. Okay? That's good. You could eat them like that. Some people prefer to eat them like that. But Luigi, I'm all in. So I'm going to take this big one right here. It's about like a potato chip. I'm going to come over here. Put a little bit of sauce on it. Okay. And, some people like a lot of sauce. I mean, salt and pepper and stuff like that. I just put a medium amount just for you guys. So you can always, later on, that's for my shells. There's a couple meatballs over there, but you can't see those. You know why? Because they're mine. Come and try to take my meatballs. I'll give you a slap. All right? Okay. So, here is Luigi's. I don't want to use a fork. I just want to throw it right down my throat. Hold on. Put the brakes on. Auntie jewelry. Okay? This for my auntie jewelry. Because your husband's such a messy femina, and I gotta go home. I'm afraid to fly and this, that, and the other thing. Put your big boy pants on, get your ass on the plane, and cut the nonsense, okay? When I come there, I'm gonna come see you soon. You know that. I'm gonna make this especially for Auntie Jewelry. And Anthony, you can't have not one of them, all right? So, how do you like that? Back at the squash flowers. Beautiful, delicious, light. I'd love to say healthy, but I'm probably not going to be able to say that. Ow. Hold on, I'm sorry. That was really good. I can't lie. Sure. So, you can serve them like that. You can serve them with sauce. I love them with sauce. Rocco, we're eating. Come on, pan it down to Rocco for a second. Show Rocco. Rocco! Nice Irishman. Look at him. He's got his tuxedo on. He's ready to go. Okay. So, like I said, you can serve them like that. You can serve them with the sauce. Whatever way you prefer. I prefer them with sauce. Delicious. Quick and easy recipe. You guys got any questions? Hey, I'm always here for you. We check the emails. We check our messages. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Just not about my mental stability. In any event, very good stuff. And, I don't know what else to say. Just God bless you. God bless your family. Stay safe. We're living in a crazy world. And eat well. Enjoy yourselves. Okay? We will have the ingredients at the end of the video so you can put them all together and you can create this fabulous dish. All right, this is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, throwing another one down my throat, saying, salute in Stuttabon, my paisans.